Yo, what is up guys? This is a game that I'm going to be playing in my channel Overhaul. This is a video, like an early video of what I'm going to be playing on my channel Overhaul. Well, there we go. Don't ask why I've played this game 4 hours straight. I last played 23rd, which is today. Yeah, I think that's my level of 104 out of this game. So here we go, this is hot lava. Yeah. I like how they're still updating the game about the Christmas and everything. But like barely anybody plays this game. But just for the sake of it, we're gonna go OG mode by starting a new game. We are going to new game. Hey. Where am I from? Alright, here we go. Yeah guys, this game is really good. It just costs like £50, but it's probably worth it. Oh god.
Hey Squirt, better get moving before Mom comes down. Race you upstairs.
Oh god. Alright guys, we're being raced upstairs. This is horrible. Oh god. Oh again. Why is the lava?
This way.
Oh, whoa. Alright, let's go. I'll beat this kid. I'll beat my sister. Sister, no, come back. We're in the same school. I'm not a big kid yet. Oh, who's this one? Oh, glitchy. I didn't know there was glitches in real life. I have glitches on my game at school, dude. I'm trying to play unblocked maths games. Whoa, who's that? I've just died to some big guy. And that was the intro. Pretty sure. Yeah. Gym class. Is this our first? Yep. Gym class, everyone. I need to get good on your gym class, bro. I've heard you've been lacking. And I've heard you've been drinking Coke every day. And you think which is what I'm doing right now. I'm drinking Coke.
Rot your brains, Squirt. Let's learn something new.
I don't want to learn something new. I like playing hot lava. Yeah. Alright, yeah, I forgot you can do a jump. No, I want to keep playing on my hot lava. You know what? Fine, I guess I'll have to learn something new, so I'm going to throw my mouse away. I'm going to throw my keyboard away. I'm going to throw my mouse pad away. And I'm going to take my juice carton with me. Just kidding, I'm a year 1. I don't care, I'm trying to act cool, I'm a year 7 now. Hey! Alright, this is gym class. Yeah, guys, this is where you definitely need to be, bro. Someone was just over there. Well, guys, we gotta practice gym. We're in gym class, dude. After school, horror night story, scary game. Yeah, we need to unlock this. We've not unlocked this yet since we're in the new game. Trampoline trouble. I actually love that level. Oh man. Oh yeah, let's go. I'll get to play again. Alright, boys. Section locked. Requirements. Surfing services. You like surfing, bro? Who actually surfs on the holiday? Guys, comment down below if you surf on your holiday. Wow. Hello. Open gym. Do whatever you want. Run, jump, swing. The floor is not lava yet. What do you mean, gym teacher? Bro, guys, my gym teacher's weird. As you are going your gym jams, I bet you know. But I bet you're sleeping in your little gym jams right now, which is what I'm doing. Or ropes. Oh. I don't know what's better than ropes. Going on a rope and then going on a swinging bar, landing on this weight thing, jumping across this, and then going up here, bouncing on the trampoline, going up here, looking at trampoline trouble, waiting to go there. Hit a 360 pony, jump off here, leg it off here, jump on here, like the floor is lava. Jump on here, then you go into Jim Jam. Hey, Jim Jam. Hey. Oh god. Gym teacher, what have you done? The floor is lava. It is very hot, so jump. Yeah, what do you think we're gonna do? Walk into it. I guess we got how I drink. Just kidding. I don't drink soda. This is school. I drink Monster, which is totally not soda. Yeah, it's an energy drink, not a soda. What were you guys thinking? Monster? Who is a soda? Because it might be. Crouch or jump till let go of the pipe. Yeah, what do you think? Hold forward when jumping to launch forward. Swing on the bars. What do you think we're gonna do? Give him cheeseburgers. Hey, trampoline. No, oh god. Oh. Super jump. Use the trampoline. Okay. Ew, putter. I don't want to put you subscribers. I heard that there's a secret over here. Hey, golden star. Man, we love the golden star. Do you guys love the golden star? Because I do. No. Okay, right, instead of yapping about the golden star, we need to not be in lava because the gym teacher went and accidentally walked into science class and got substitutes and got lava glasses with the had mummy coins and the mum books from Diary of the Wimpy. Oh, like it. Okay, let's go. We've got the shield. Oh, I can't look at the Overhaul. Yes. That global action team achieved rank 3, new character available. Now, playground, nunchuck, hack, power and K, wizard wand. It's almost faster than unknown. Who's easy, Yako? Trampoline trouble, let's go, guys. We got trampoline trouble. Guys, what type of trouble's on the trampolines? Who did a double bounce on there? Who did a double bounce? Who made someone break their legs? You can't do that. That's illegal, isn't it? Boom. Trampoline trouble. Here we go. Ooh, basketball. Now, can I hit a Kobe? How do you think? Try watch this Kobe. Let's go back. Oh, I didn't land it. Whatever. It's good. I'm hoping. Well, guys, there's a party here. Guys, who wants the most thinnest pizza slices in the batter? Hey, are we speedrunning this? Loki, you just put an empty whiteboard there. Man, come on, you need to give us at least some advice. Not just like, dude. Girl, let's get that again. Go. Where's that? Where's that? Where's that say? Where's that say? Whoa. No, no. Parents getting a divorce. You're not alone. Jamie, what the hell does that say? At least I saw parents get a divorce. Why am I just stuck there? Well, that's horrible. That's just sad. Because what did it say? Parents getting a divorce. See Mr. Summit in the guidance office for help. Who's Mr. Summer? Girls, don't wait to ask your date. Yeah, dude, boys be doing all the work. Like you girls need to try, man. Go basketball shoes. Guys, should we get some drip on? Don't starve when you Go time. Yeah, best time. Make the course plus 1 star. Completing under 2 minutes 30 seconds plus 1 star. Sick. Hey guys, we just unlocked a new section and a new level, living on the edge. Sister, come here. Nah, come here. Nah, come here, mate. Bro, you stole my Xbox. You stole my Xbox. Come here, bruv. 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 Oh, living on the ledge. Alright, guys, let's get some drip on. Come on, here we go. Alright. Alright, guys, we've got this guy here. Hazard. Hey. Mate. Alright, customize. Alright, we have night fight hazard. Look guys, do all be shader with night fight hazard. Yeah guys, let's be shader. Alright, do we have any cool hats? No. Please. Alright guys, we have to have some back accessories. We have the powder keg. Alright, alright. Basketball shoes. Where's the wand? Oh, there. Have the nunchucks. Yeah, chat, so we're gonna have the nunchucks. Gross globe rusted. I didn't know there was a thing. Pinner. Pinner. Alright, guys, let the tap. Alright. Action bars. Oh. Comics. Alright. Now look guys, this is our new drip. Right guys, let's continue in gym class actually. Because we're going to beat all the levels in gym class while gaming, of course.
Video game.
Yeah. Right guys, so we're going to do living on the ledge. Guys, do you think school really sucks? You know? Like, what about PE days? You always have to think like PE days are like the best because you just get to like skip like a boring lesson like topic or anything, which I scared Kobe with dodgeball. Yeah, maybe that didn't work. Still was kid basketball. Hey, right, living on the ledge. Trap. Done. Oh, what? A weave to that. Weave. Just do that in one jump. Well, in this game, what you used to do? Skip to all the time. Oh, no, man. That's literally it. It is literally the frick. Oh. Of course, parkour course is longer than that. Hey, we got on top. That we clutch, be clutch. Clutch gang. Oh. Peanut butter jelly time. Here we are. Wait guys, isn't this just like the exact same level? Just different stuff. Peanut butter jelly time. Well, we're just gonna ignore that and look at us. With that drip. Holy. Cool. Gat. Headed level 3. 80s hair. Hat glasses. Mark of the ninja head. Don't starve walking game. Wizard hat. Guys, we need to put that wizard hat on. For a battle time. We just unlocked a new section and surfing services. And then we can unlock another section with surfing services. Yeah guys, play back to the video. Required surfing surfaces. And you'll see what I mean. Right guys, let's get that hat on because I'm a cool wizard. Alright. Hazard. Customize. Ooh. Wizard hazard. Nah. Ooh, I look at camera. Nah, wizard hazard. Hey. Alright guys, let's go. Let's get this new level done. And let's get the next section locked. Do we always have to play through this intro? Do we always have to play through this intro? Hey guys, look at that, my friend's calling me. Alright guys, sorry about that cut. My friend was just talking to me. So, yeah. What is this? If you want to lead, read. Squirrel fights for literacy. Tickets for dance $2 at the office. Get them while they're hot. Hey, hot lava. Hey, what's over this? Jump rope for health. Canadian Health Foundation. Sponsored by Plastech Corporation. That's weird. Because I'm Wizard Hazard. I'm Harry Potter. Ooh, an energy drink. Edger. So edger. It doesn't look so edgy. I'm so edgy. Okay, surfing services. Okay. Is it just me or this looks easier? Did you think about it? Hey. Oh, that's why it's called surfing services. Because we surfing, boys. Whoa. Isn't that sick? Bad dudes. What the hell is? Alright, we completed that in like 1 minute. Hey, Mama, look, I'm Harry Potter. See, look, I got a wizard hat, I'm Harry Potter. Overhaul. What's this? 8-bit glasses. Oh my god, we need to put those on. Blue lollipop. Retro headphones. I'm a 5-year-old. That's literally the 5-year-old pack. That's literally 2010. That pack. Put stuff on. That's good, guys. Chase your sister. I don't want to chase my sister. I'd rather chase my sister because she stole my Xbox and then I'm cracking it in. Okay. Customize. Hey. Alright, do we have anything cool in stock? Hey. I don't see my headphones. Oh, they're in there. Alright, I guess I'll put those on. Nah, I love my lollipop. Of course, I love my 8-bit glasses, bro. I look sick. That's really good. Alright, that look at my new look. The 2000 kid starter pack. Oh, really? I have to go through that intro. So fun. Alright, guys, I'm your new teacher. And just let me steal one of the kids' keyboards. Oh, thank you. That's not a keyboard, that's your lunchbox. Hey. Give me that. Give me that, I'm trying to play Hot Lava. Thank you. Now I'm going to put this keyboard on here. And then I'm going to have a bunch of fun on Hot Lava while you guys can't. I'm joking. I'm just a student. And the keyboard that I took was mine. Pole vault, how did I miss that? Pole vault. Alright. We've got balls. We're gonna throw them. We got jaws. We're gonna blow them. What does that even mean? Oh, what does that mean? Hey. We're vaulting. Like an escape. Like an escape room. Oh, we're escaping on the poles. Whoa. Whoa. I like going. Yeah, that place. Wee. Right, so we're gonna die here. And I'm gonna restart and I'm gonna put that part out. Editor, put that part out, which is basically just future me. I am the editor. Future me is the editor. I'm recording the video right now. So I wonder what my POV is. Hey! Oh, look at me, I'm so retro. I'm not wizard anymore, I'm not Harry Potter. New world available, school. Are we still in school? On target. Don't stop looking. Yeah, if you just gave me that. Rainbow wings. Visor. Alright, let's continue. Chase your sister. Guys, let's chase my sister. She's a really mean person and we need to tell her off with the principal. Let's go, sis. Alright, sis. Is this a race? Please. Well. On. Parkour. 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 Hey. Because I've got the high ground, I'm gonna murder out you. Let's fix this. I missed the going south. Wait 1 second, sis. Sis, where are you going? Here. Oh! Alright, sis, is this how you want to play? That's how you want to play. Okay, apparently going in front of my sister. Where's my... Wait. No! Sis, come back! I'm in front of you. This! I'm in front of you! Oh, I'm restarting it. But let's go, sis. So apparently going in front of your sister beats the system. Oh, sis, did you not save me? Bad sis. God, isn't that horrible sis? You're falling in lava and your sis just watching you burn in flames. That's just a horrible sister. Why have we got a mini sister? Alright. Sis, I found your little sis. Where are you going? Oh, I'll tag you. I don't do that. I jump, not swing. Literally, the first course, they told me to jump. I mean, it's so retro. Oh yeah! Retro. Easy boy. Oh guys, look at that jetpack style. Guys, look, you always have to try something new. But I don't wanna. I don't wanna. Oh! Puppy! Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, dude. Little guy. Oh, little guy. Oh, he's mad at me. Auntie, you wanna go? There, can I get out? Alright guys, that was literally it. We beat everything except from trials. Well, we're gonna go into a different bit now. Who doesn't love the playground? Active event, Christmas event, yeah. Guys, there's an active Christmas event in there. Might be. Guys, who doesn't love break time? Who doesn't love break time? Like, actually so fun. Like, no one cares about lessons. Let's slide down the slide. Here we go. Whoa, hey sister, move out the way before I...
Ready to play with the big kids?
Oh, Neil Golden 91 fell into lava. I feel bad for him. I'd skip. Yeah, guys, there is an event going on here. Look at him. No snowball throwing. You will get detention. I'm throwing a hat though. I'm throwing a hat. Can I? Have snowballs, please. Oh yes, a present. Santa, what you got for me? Santa, what you got for me? Oh. Hey guys, so I didn't say that this will get me detention. It may. He's so stupid. Guys, that's bullying. Don't do that. Ooh, Santa's present. Thank you. Please, guys, imagine actually getting 30 presents on Christmas Day. That'd be sick, wouldn't it? Sister. Wait, what if I throw a snowball at my sister? This. My boy. How's this? I'm sorry. Wait, it's Christmas time. What does that mean? Ha. I literally threw a snowball at my sister, and this guy fell into lava. And she's under it. And just of course we said, "Hey, mate, what are you doing in Neo Golden?" Oh, I have to make ammo. Oh, bro. Let's go chat in front of Neo Golden. He's a dummy. I'm sorry, Neo Golden, but like it had to be done, man. Like it just had to be. Wait, dude, where is Neo Golden? Where's Neo Golden? Neo Golden. No, let me up, dude. Neo Golden. Nah, man, you can't do that stuff. No, I'm gonna die. Oh, there we go. Give me that card, thank you. Oh, no! We're not gonna... Okay. Hey. Hey, Macarena. Neo Golden, I hate you. No, Neo Golden, come back here. I'm gonna get you. New world available, masterclass. The global action theme. Oh God. Oh. So guys, I really hope that like you liked today's video. This is a channel overhaul teaser, and like what those mean, like a teaser for what games I'm going to be playing, and like it's like a little sneak peek of the games I'm going to be playing in my channel overhaul. Like this game, Hot Lava, it's a really fun game. I think you should get it if you have like a laptop or a PC. If you're like, you have to have Steam, and you have to have £15 in your life savings account. I'm sorry. And you probably have like $3. Let's save up some more, man. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next channel overhaul teaser video. We'll make more before the channel overhaul starts. Yeah, bye. Wait, how do I wave bye? How do I wave bye? Where's the emote wheel? Take. Bye, everybody. Bye. Good. Also, like and subscribe. I'm on my road to 500 subscribers. Wee hee. Bye bye.